In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Deel HR Review. Deel is a comprehensive global HR and payroll platform that assists companies in managing the complexities of hiring, onboarding, paying, and supporting contractors and employees across different countries. With a suite of tools designed to handle compliance, contracts, payroll, and global labor regulations, it proves to be an invaluable resource in the diverse global landscape. To give you a better idea of its structure, Deel provides employer of record services, contractor management, global payroll, benefits administration, and a variety of HRIS features. These services make it easier for organizations to oversee mixed teams spread across the globe without the need to establish local entities. Now let's delve into its pricing for 2025. For contractors, Deel charges $40 per active contract each month. The basic HR tools are actually free. However, their global payroll service starts at $29 per employee monthly. If you're using employer of record services, expect a cost around $589 per employee each month. For those interested in the US PEO plan, pricing sits at about $89 per employee. Engage HR tools are available for roughly $20 per employee, and there's an optional premium add-on. This comes at an additional $50 per contract, offering a misclassification guarantee to protect against potential legal and tax risks if a contractor gets reclassified as an employee. When it comes to advantages, Deel shines in its capability to facilitate global hiring, efficiently managing payroll, contracts, taxes, and compliance across diverse regions. It offers a unified platform where contractors, employees, onboarding processes, payments, benefits, and compliance are all managed in one spot, combined with transparent pricing for contractor and hiring plans. Deel is also praised for its robust support and up-to-date compliance features, alongside beneficial HRIS capabilities such as onboarding, workflows, time-off management, and document handling, especially appealing to small and medium-sized teams operating internationally. However, like most services, Deel has its limitations. Some users have found its performance management, learning modules, and advanced HR functionality to be somewhat basic compared to more comprehensive HR suite products. Support can be inconsistent, with complaints of delays in handling intricate issues like multi-country payroll and visa processing. Deployment can be time-intensive, especially for larger operations or those with a global footprint. Furthermore, costs can escalate for organizations with extensive international teams or multiple contractors, and in certain locales, gaps in local compliance or tax filings may require manual intervention. Deel prioritizes security and is GDPR compliant for EU use, adhering to local data protection laws worldwide. It employs standard security protocols, backed by dedicated legal and compliance teams. Customer feedback on platforms like Trustpilot generally reflects positive experiences, particularly about onboarding and the transparency of contract and payment processes. Concluding, Deel is an excellent fit for businesses with global or remote teams operating across multiple countries, especially those requiring compliance, payroll, and contract services without the hassle of setting up local entities. It's also well suited for medium to large companies where the scale justifies the costs. However, for firms that operate domestically or need a quick setup, it might not be the ideal choice. Companies seeking advanced HR features might also find Deel's offerings lacking.